I don't think that we can fully cater to this industry without knowing and doing our due diligence on the consumer. And I think that's why we've seen a lot of huge brands, some of the biggest names in the fashion world, come up with Ramadan collections or modest collections, and they've been hits and misses. So, not all of them have been received favorably, and that's probably because the studies weren't there, so they weren't able to really understand the end user as well as they can probably now through some of the work that we're doing. I think the reason the EU and the Gulf collaborating or building bridges through dialogue is incredibly important, because I don't think that that they can. I think coexisting is a much more powerful formula to success than to independently try to go it on their own. I do not feel that modest fashion needs to be isolated, nor do I feel that mainstream fashion needs to be isolated. There's a lot of crossover between the two, and I think that's a very important thing for us all to reflect on. I think what would be very nice for IFDC to see is very business savvy designers that really get it, that understand what this market has to offer, and come up with a strategy which we can sort of like buy into and say, wow, we really love your strategy and we want to get behind it because we think this is a winner.